Hi all, today we are making fried plantains together, so welcome to my channel. First, you want to remove the green skin of the plantain. Um, it requires a little bit of effort, but once you get a hang of it, you got this, trust me, you got this. So we are now cutting the plantain to small pieces to the size of your preference. I like small to medium size for my plantains. I prefer to use coconut oil. I like the flavor that it gives to the plantains, which is very different. But if you don't have coconut oil, canola oil, or vegetable oil, will do the work as well. Alright, we have our plantains ready. Just waiting for our oil to heat up on medium-high heat. Once your oil is ready, you want to fry your plantain about a minute or two on each side. Right now we're looking for golden yellow beautiful plantains, piece of plantain. So you fry it first just so it gets mushy enough because we are going to smash them. But you first want to make sure your plantains is ready. You don't want to over fry them, but we're looking for golden color. Right now I'm going to push my pan on the side because I don't want to burn the house. Alright, now we have our plantain ready. Beautiful, golden, oh, looks so good already. So I usually use a smasher that my dad gave me from Haiti. It makes the job easier. I'm smashing the plantain one by one, and you're looking for flat tostones. I really like using this plantain smasher. I love plantains. I can eat it every day, all day. But if you don't have a plantain smasher, you can actually use a spatula. So you want to use a flat surface spatula and press your plantain down. I've also used a coffee mug before and even a small plate. So you just have to make it work, trust me. But a spatula works just as fine as you can see, like my plantain smasher. So then we're going to fry the plantain a second time, and that second fry really gives it a crispy taste and it makes it so much yummier. I like my plantain with pickles, which is a spicy slaw from Haiti, or ketchup sometimes. It's a version of French fries. So right now I'm frying them again, about a minute or two on each side. I'm looking for that crispiness, that crunchiness from the plantains. So frying them about a minute or two on each side. And trust me, the coconut oil makes such a big difference. I do use canola oil like I mentioned before, but it gives it such a Caribbean flavor. It's more flavorful in my opinion. Right now I'm just flipping them, making sure my plantains are crispy all around. I don't know, if you like plantains as much as I do, comment below or smash that like button. I hope, and if you end up making this recipe, reach out to me, comment or whatnot. So now our plantains are ready. I was super excited. I had some pickles in the fridge, so I'm going to enjoy this snack with my pickles. But first, we want to remove our plantains and turn off the oven. So good. What do you like to eat your plantains with? Comment below, let me know. I actually like to eat it with fried pork, just the Haitian way. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. That golden color, you can see how crispy it is. It's crunchy. Oh my god, so good, so good. This is exactly what you're looking for when you're frying a green plantains. Now it's time to salt it. I like to sprinkle salt after. Most people like to use or salted water, but I think this is the safest way to fry your plantain at home. So salt it up and enjoy your plantains. So comment like below if you enjoyed this video. See you later.